Hi everyone! It's January 23rd and Blizzard Jonas has officially hit. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and we tried to stock up on groceries and stuff, but of course we forgot coffee, so we're gonna have to go find a store that has coffee.
Can you see the blizzardness? It's hard to pick up in the camera.
Is it? Look at all this.
Coffee run. Blizzard day 1.
I'm nervous.
Oh, 900 hours.
Today's one of those days where you just don't put makeup on.
But you do put a scarf around your face.
Did you put makeup on today?
No, not today.
Not today. Okay. Let's go. Oh, I gotta put my coat on. I'm so cute.
Cutest.
How cute is my outfit?
Extra. All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, I need to put my coat on. Do I need gloves?
Yep.
Are you excited?
Super.
Here we go.
Pretty much. Woo.
Oh, thank you.
Well, thanks, man.
Wait.
Ah. Oh, wow. Ah.
Oh my God.
Ah. God, it hurts my eyes. Ah. Get in here. Dodge that shit. You're gonna bust your ass.
Okay, so we just made our coffee run and we decided that we're not going back outside for the rest of the day.
No more.
You couldn't even see anything. It's like we were trying to film and get some footage to show you guys like what's going on outside, but it hurts your face.
It's miserable. Don't want to be a part of it today.
We really tried to film. I don't even know what we filmed, but you can't even really see while you're walking. Needless to say, we won't be going back outside anytime soon. Snow day begins, laziness begins. We will see you guys whenever we decide to go back outside again.
No, not.
Bye guys.
Bye.